Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your laptop is awake and unlocked. Save any open files so nothing interrupts. Next, locate a healthy USB port. Rear or full-size Type-A is often more reliable. Insert the drive gently and stop when you feel a click. Forcing it will damage the connector. Once done, feel for a firm seat and listen for connection sound or LED on the device. These steps ensure the hardware is ready before the system attempts to read the drive. You now move into the operating system to find the drive. Open File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac OS and look under Devices or Locations. The USB should appear as a removable drive. If it does not show, open Disk Management or Disk Utility to see unmounted volumes and mount or assign a drive letter. Make sure drivers are current. In Windows, use Device Manager to scan for hardware changes and update the USB controller driver so the system can communicate correctly with the device. You can now open the USB drive and transfer or edit files as needed. Work directly from the drive only when necessary. When finished, you safely remove hardware on Windows or eject in Finder before unplugging to avoid corruption. If the drive is visible but unreadable, try a different port or a known good cable, and run chkdsk on Windows or First Aid on Mac OS to repair file system errors. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.